Amasan his YouTube channel an veho zo sen bonun chibai tunihin ahung lungding 28 January 2026 ni hole Home Minister Amit Shah in kuki zo MLA ho zo se gotia kimutu piding ti to gon khataumin hichi chun lamkai lang ho adin Twitter wera lang hon azole injo khatto le MLA te hovin ipi ham khat mi pi te de lo lang mi pi te lung de lo lang athil hin bol kha ding ham idimanu hi ahai milova popular government formation a jaw kha diu ham ti pona na zalin emergency ni chi record hong ki bolin ni chi keile pulen chong loile pi kim gang te chomcha kang ki holim nawa anangai hlavin lang hi chen ki ho hichi nangai hlana wa panin non jong opinion ni pin anevam comment section hin comment wen lang ki zamanutin hilam kai teu hi alungel athil bol idei mona hi pun I movement to kito lowa thila hin bol diu hi pun arum ta hong hiding hin hi je zon mi pi ten pan la the bangin pan la the chenin pan lautin I movement to kito a home minister pa ko ma mahon direct ta put up a bol ngamwa movement to kito lo thil ho hiale ipilam dolham khana lungel hin nei than nadiwa echi hong ki bol hi ti kain sinom hintin chule ke jong hal khat kalel thim to tu in ka thil pi pi hamar ka bol to hile kai mu na su thim to bang hin hi chaw ko hal khat an vithem jiang vin ti kain se ki baw tu ni hinam sung din munu aphat lo ta to tu hin thil chom chom ngumin tu tein zong in langa boina chom khat au min na songlung ke songlung ki thami phiam kho khat zonga ki halin he chito kilonin tun ahung lung ding 28 January le Home Minister Amit Shah in ten kuki zo MLA te goti muna ki mu piding ti to gon aumin he chito ki sain nampi ati ngai pi ki palhu na thei hung hiding ham ti lungel to kilonin to hin he chia phatna phalo nai pi IPP hung hi the ham ti kyo khom pi dingin panelist to bangin pulen chong loile XMP pi kim gang te hin amasan ulen nang ipiha ichi thu hi halkhat introduction ti diam na opening notes halkhat hin bolo
mon the adia ei ke chanchin nei dom ai chu ise hon banga chuna lamkai ho hin thil phatinga gelwa decision allow he kidipa hi MLA ho hin joint te diwale chun minimum EP ngayam tiong se ngai na yi chu pati dan chu ichi hi kyo to lowa joint kal siu chu as a movement pa hi boy thedinga umeti hi lungel khat hin amo chun EP conditioner chu boy poi ti ham ti chuna ai chu resolution hi group khat ila thing le ke da society bangai lam ka ya the corporate bangai to thing chun next meeting a khu validation khat kila chu to hi lam kai ho jong mun chum pa na opinion ho bang hi azata adiu akita asan ne chu mi tampi hin mi pi ge lawang chu popular government adai ri le hin ai wanga ama ho in asunga thu head wa joining ati wala chun mi pi a pat alo le chu as an intellectual hi cho bang hi ama ho ki thu pi na ti mai tin lo le lungel mi pi lungel cha head lo le tam zo hi hang phunga thu se ngam lo an po ta le thu yong se nu po bi ne wa na lunga ke eho ge la hi anunga medium sanga chu jang pet penai kichi bol le han phadiam ti chu sei khom ti ti a hi yung ina yi chu thu hi isei to lo wa le dan chu ibo in thei di ho hi khunung teng le I join kal siu chu shading part ki lem de it's ana gay be set de tan to khat UT hi bolai dal bam ti chu first premise pi ham itile masanga Manipur as it is ichen khom wa hi structural injustice umai chu political khat dynamics alo lama majority versus ikhat pa jo khat ya ichi legacy problem chung chu na tu chunga ithi pa se ya ithu myong talo pi chu tu chunga ithi pa survival mode a ya hi Manipur chu is khat kada la diu tai di emotional chu lut tho chu ewanga chu emotion ji a mail ho to na ka cheng khom thei da po wi ti ju khat ya lam kai ho chun emotional decision la lo de ati mai thei chu chong chu ke yong kanu mi mature agel wale that is well appreciated na ai wanga chu a UT idal pau hi manipura tua maitria ei thawa idal do masang wa pana legacy problem do masanga pana problem ai chu uh, mini ucha ni na khat pa ju bully le na khat pa chun nau pa chu adei de la pe na le ni khat chu a boy sa o mai chu ai chi pa ho hi popular government ju join de ti wale guarantees ala di nam ala lo wale mi pi de chu ki che se la chu no popular government of India in constitutional problems they are wise enough to solve it on their own. Parliament na nikhat CM tun wa de like resign de ham alo parliament na ikhat ipya legislation kara polud wa amendment na bol wa constitutional amendment na bol wa ikhat them. That is not our headache. Our headache is a day the aning tin ling a thi zo wa hi mi pi hin iti ilam ka yo hin kami hiu yung head lo pa ma lo khai lang hi iti nga thewam ti question mai cho. So these are questions answer part reta na ye chu ilung yu neu gam ta cho I EPP ke or ken yung thum la li lang hi research ka wal ta cho apai ke wang chun state ka de ya ba na ju UT ya aba na ju mail ya to ki khen lo wa le ichanu ho ho hin khu chu iti ki protect nga iti ki hu a ta le sipai wang chu iti ki khen wa le se chung pum pia case study zo ki ve cho hiti ta bang khat hin bol win te ki tia tuni se do pha tai ki ti je jo chi na ki ti lo le ki do tu na pa hi lo hi ya chu na working group ma ta le dang dong ma working group ma ho yong lung thu ta sei thakhat without this thing disrespecting anybody thakhat ai wa ju thu di sei ding hi society wa lo chu atia chu ho yong asu thip gam to ke wa chu lama ho to ki ho thei pen ge chu ai wa nga chu idea ki ba lo explain bol thelo hello if you had the bridge sam kana explain about bol pa hu chi ya hu yole ipute isu pile na win de no ise ti sanga chu ka mo ve re ya ban to nam vi kum thumin tho in tho gen the na pa hi ni tin ling Olivia Florence Tonsing tale nu te ho lola gitan akhot gitan na ki khai volunteer ho in sun le jana thosi vai bong la dal ama ho su group ma golang ho athia akipi do na ho chu kitu lo ta jo ye chu ake chu nam kha hi na wa chu ngai lu na chu e khat suan la wa yang chu atam zon kipuna be se na pune lun all the sacrifices na tale thingno ya amo le mo ki ka wa thi ai anga chu nam si pai ki tia ki ngai lu chu kumija sacrifice bol yo wa hi khat territorial integrity and sign wa yang chu ikini lo pi chu ai wanga chu puna na ya ipi dinga su ke so tam su assign mam ki ti chu ngai lu na ge sei chu to ai itida na chu MLA hot to lung thu ki ti wa ke hu wa ta hi constitutional guarantee chu ila do pe te ni na abo kata san poi ti ne chi wang a bol wa le anam mi pi hi a movement ai chai lo diu ta but ala lut wa manipura chu kasai ba the police system chu ma Hong Kong ma ho special administrative reason ala thai wal chun no problem is a constitutional framework ka study ya you think say na one I have studied it and then there are ways to like temporary his solution macho kumna you think like UT pa to revisit them I want to UT sa day lo le ko no 2 minute on we want justice first ningtil hindi nga yung iti sa yung what are we as a people here nam khat kia ningtil yung idon lopyu IDP ke ma chi wanam ke yung kache thelo pi cho because I'm fighting it online better ai le ken ka heso ke jo clinic thum ka padwa Twitter warrior on so I know children died without medicine inam life ka han avet na this is no time to be quiet. Keju, I'm totally publicity shy. Keju, camera masang hunum lo keju. But now it is too much.
Ngale. Tua hi tua na
Yeah,
sing hi
please go ahead. It's emotional kahi le Vietnam mon. Kim chu to chun.
pai len tua na hi opening remarks in ko itin na. Pikim na nga pa din na halkat opening remarks tua ulen na say pen ko. Date 28 da ten cookie zo MLS o le home minister pa goti ang kimuto wale masanga tu masanga lungthu ten declaration kada hin bolu resolution number 3 na hin ase yuvin na no na mood hin resolution number 3 is very controversial. It could have been like they could have support the formation of a new government, the popular government. They keep something in the loopholes, they keep some gap so that they can someone can justify at later stage. Ti khadu maintain. It's nang in pia nang ngai dan hal khan hin zero ni pite heading in.
A resolution number 3 yong tu ipi hitam ke bang ka hai ta to khat bei bo ko ga ve ya
Ga say
khat
we
ve
get
ne
the mon.
Tua resolution number 3 ka tipen na hi tiene kizin prerequisites for government formation. Regarding the installation of an elected government in the state, the meeting resolved that the new government must provide a written commitment to support the negotiated political settlement in bracket open union territory with legislature under the constitution. These commitments must be executed in a time bound manner, specifically within the current assembly tenure. But isn't this very controversial? Because head sao hidana to yes ante arambay tengol te hin MLA som tumsu by force de tolpa jaw lawa kangla ko lutwa anob adam lawa soi kaisa wa hichan gia bol hon and to resolution number 3 a prerequisite for government formation aki form ta le written assurance atu dai pi duty chu hit he mong di nam na hito kisain tu hin date 28 la home minister pan emla chengu gotia ki mu pi diu. So what is your take on this?
tua chu resolution number 3 chu na hin se ya ele ki ong chun ka ga ve za men hoi ta ong chu study ka bol lo a hi aje chu lam kai yong aki hi lo je a chu azo a pulen in a sei bang sei dong I ta seta tu iste ya yong I thu ki la ding yong hi lo I chi ya chu tik tek na ka a hi in ama wa I kha daga so I ma ga akaya e ngon I de ho chu lekha I ga koi mai wang chu I ma cha be se I ponte ka gin ka gel da ne tu he government formation he koi ma chan I de lo na hi ke personally e ki dong le ka de lo na cha dang a hi pon asi chu mas nga jong popular government a lai ta a chu conflict violence hung uma hi tan ge ya hi tu ge ya mi izar ham khade displace ki ya ta I na ding jong lo wa loi le go ngai lung set na he hon ako mo wa them kha ga thei na dinga chom khat ga ki a hi ni loi I gol ki bela hi in zia chu ken ka gela hi le ta ba in tu a popular government lai ta he board le popular government kid hen lang hi le I ta bang so ki dam ti na sa ta in apprehension ka ne yen ken jong ahin eiho ke golin bang ke chu personal ta nei ki dong le pha ya lut ki ding wang chu ke ya ding a tu wa na ga ti ta bang so hi mi dang long ke ta bang a hi ding ka ging chat ko win is it an popular government ki ti hi ka ge jong le ke wang tu ki chat ka se I pi ki sei ding am azi azang ka he pu e ke bang ta ta in
Ba na pi nang gelda na popular government ngum di tale athil dang chu thu chomi tale tua ichi lung thu te resolution number 3 a se chu popular government dingai le ki demand union territory with legislature chu written assurance ap diu he tin ajivin na ichi written assurance malala hoya ipi adang amla teu sante amla teu hi arambai tengol ten hi ta control tawa achu hoyang kipe momong jam because we know India is a federal state not to some extent it is a federal state so the center can't overrule the state in some aspects so this will become a state subject.
Yeah, of course. State in state subject teachers state in a recommend lo wa the center in achama chu I machabang cha bol thei lo jeng a hi in bol thei de hi dong le tu tua BJP government in eiho a favor lo hi lu yong het ki he a hi in silai ta wang hi it needs a lot of wisdom and political thinking hi cha chu hon igen wa he representative so chunga he ki mo nga ma it's also it needs a lot of wisdom and thinking atunay pen chu ki hilo hin as piso hin gel ga ki si hin popular government hung kit ki chat au me ka ti khel jong chu ipi ham ka se di apprehension ki nei so ke
Ali uliat nangin thil khat suggestion to bang khat na tua hi immediately a political demand union territories with legislature ti ai thelowa jong le ti nangin thil khat na hin propose in special administrative region na ti na hi ipiti ha dan the features
Hello,
na
Mon. Lam kai ho hi emle ho yo na gen thei chu tu chung. King sela. Kum nga sunga hi agenep now the ministry hi nang amon yo. Piam khat be chu. Sumalu na lu chu election te chu. Ki wang chu tua te ho hi ke ki dong la wang chun. Koi ma cha to ki te lu kai do sa ki de at least one term ai wang chu democracy ya chu ken ka sacrifice te ya. Because that's my call. Adang candidate who know mo ko no tu yo do. But tuni ki holo now ipg ham itiale amo ho dem no yong hilo I wanga jo achal be wale ki dem to se ikitin to diu ta. The movement with hang de ding division langai che diu ta. Mon na. Now a kat simple research bol ngai cho emle ho hin BP the Kyoto lo minimum guarantee ngai cho mon it is all what to popular government to constitution dung ju ya to ken law he 2003 admission kana bola law he kathanop na lam ikhane cho mi to kyo argument bol kathet nei cho to he ken pursue ka bol ke cho inam wa he rule of law lo cho logic lo ati achu a resolution to a MIP hin separate administration adei poiti he cho ale lamka ya ipanteng le zangpet pena thu sei ngai cho you don't have to come back and come and you know what kathu sei vichu resolution chu hin hi chu ne ti chu le resolution chu drafting ho them lo ham elo le atha ong sei di ham elo le e ho chun as a citizen ka khu me cho UT pau ka khu ma phai kan da la ke yong kanu le ka pa ka vet suina ke yong lag la na ka bu da cho ele eu kimbang chu see the formal MP chen de nei lo cho e ho chi ma chahi ki lo lai pi so we have houses in other places kin Twitter warrior ho kanalam ka ya ta le kat relief came here ta le kisu se ho Florence na Don Singh pa ta le Paulen ho achan nu teo ki that jo to ning tin hingi ki ai chu hi chite ho in sung hin mail ho to ki vop ding a tiwa le to ai amit liong kang lo lai jo khasa sa jo a government of India in constitutional crisis de here tia le that is their headache ta le lam ka hi wa they have lawyers with them ai ami pi ten adei lo hel chu bolte te de tiwa le chun they should have a reason chu tua hi umlo lai chu ale aphai ama ho support ki dute su ho na saving emile ho na saving ama ho support ki dute I support ki diwala chu a resolution be chu ki tu le pha chu mele ho studio ho to no nai nei chu to chu popular government join ni ki ti chu manipura kahung ki le di utan manipur chu suke punge ti u chu adia le chen UT chi I phota thu at least it is a consistent ngai chu I keep telling you adia le chun constitutional mechanism as lawyer khujat UT and CP pause ido le ti hom kati adia le chun maybe boro territorial council sanga hoise like chhota bang chu to chun kilol thale kata san chu ale mi pi ko ma hi ei lep daw le ti chu we fought I fought kum khat de che imulo kukin pi ai kilol naw chu ta le khosungai chen naw mi pi de chu e het vinam ti chu ke yong mi pi la az kapat ama yong mi pi la apang chu na yokim delia mi na se ya le nang num ta na chen tawang chu num na sa lo to mi in na lu sa ai bo chu na yokim ai le mon ti chu ka se at least tell us the reason and then kita win ti chu you cannot say resolution to mi pi ho dinga chu agel mo le government hi ki zaw lo dinga he a hin hi chi condition ai ki zaw de til phanalai chu every other newspaper has carried anuk now pe ma sat wacha chu condition ki koi gi ti chu we not let let us not play with our people's emotion na chi chi chu ke wa chu asai no mi om to lo ke on ka paw lo ta but then it's time we need to speak up unfiltered truth hi ngai chi society wai
tuan si pen hi ken jong hal khat hin hak be leng na anzo ka si to bangin UTV legislature with the Meiteis MLAs being the majority ti next to impossible in kamuin na let them na say bangin now let them not justify themselves amo kithem chan ngai lo they let them come out with something what is compelling them na ipi lom in compellable ham ai lo wale IMLA te zo hilova MH apa na su group te koma present haluna su group te hena mo ai khat zo ham ti zo ita different gal sa vet te hena atile pikim nang hi ikhat XMP zong na hin na you are well versed with politics ti taw te na zong na ni hin ale tu hin worst to worst case in IMLA te un government join bolta lang hile IPT a join diu ham online a join diu ham na tu lai coaching late Delhi la donga police on zia school chapang school kai thel wa ina pa na online la to banga MLA te online la diu ham ai lo wala how long ichana short online ai it is an short suti la thi diu ham special leave ati wa mi pp ham ti so am holding option ipiumam phai pha lowa they support but part of the legislature.
I think they must be knowing better than we do. Akiho na wala kizao khalowa. Imata. I'm telling you, imata ki hello zengicho. Ahin la yong si individual la ilunggel khanumato at least ipiham amahon to resolution 3 ana say you to na say ta. Ahile tu acho amahon ipipen ageluwa ipipen adi government ake ho na wa tu hiti nei bol pe wa le joining e china bol lo wa le ban ke hon join thei po wenge ti jong chu san ke hello pi tu la khuti le ipiham isei ding chu ilungela ume at least separate budget to start with
hello
legislature.
Hiti cho hakim first line na to UT non negotiable kiti na time ba na timeline ki pe ya athum chan na chu UT chu popular government chu join wing in hi wang UT nei pe wi kit kit cho hi chu political negotiation a chu UT je ti wale manipur to ki khendiu chu ama ho pad do chu chi very clear a chu I le eiho chun we should have to I lo I that o mi dang no he Manipur chu biren I khadia I le eiho chun eventually eiho chun UT lo le eiho chu mai ki khen ngai ta in di tho tho diu cho amon ei lam kai be I le lai lunga chu Manipur chu ip ki ngai tu na chu na ise ham ta chu ai ale mi pi to ki ka man no wala se di government hi ka join lo diu hin ai wangi ip condition ka join di ham ti le UT assurance nei pi di atiu le khat cho ai wanga chu ajoin di wa Manipura chu chen the ta ge lo le jo se ngai lo should be unfiltered truth Manipur government he join lo wal aboy tan hi chi condition of min ai hin minimum ma e khat ki joining was a special administrative region allow le Boro Territorial Council chunga je wang ithum e pe te te atua to negotiating khat nei to til forget SA forever that SA ka thum be kite ho chu it's not done ye chu kisei ta to state thum wa yong le UT thum yong le thakha dai boi tho to ti win tu ni khat pau te khat chan state thum tau te ki ti yong koi ma cha in angap chan lo ai wa chu society mu se control diu ako la king up cha le phone yong mi bol na lai diu cho ki ho pi ding a phone bol la koi ma cha ki mu lo cho hangsam kai cho I have been hangsam at the worst time ito kompyong kimulo hichinam chini people diom ke hinam mon I'm not just angry nelungan parta chu a resolution to question the ball ngai lo I don't have to spend my time today questioning them or asking for information ngai sai lo chu a resolution ki lor pa chu di ngai constitutionally di ngai law dum ya di ngai chu for instance chu mani popular government ka join di utan a hin UT chu ata chu government ong help ngai lo Manipur te ong help ngai lo mail ho tyong agel ta to negotiate about the eho on behalf of BP ko ma se di ka join lo di hin ka join di wa le ka join lo the now ka join the lo now om tai ati ye chun UT kana se wang chun chi hi hin UT hi kum nga do li di we ati le the chu ta for example su ho dinga chu su extension to na TC cho mo dinga lin pen chu ta chu mi pi thi gam pha ra chu eho thi na pa chu a movement a lead with chu ke cooking pi a hangsam ka ya chu meeting nga ama ho ki ko chu ta ama nei ko chu society chi dan chu that is not how society should be civil society lo mi pi la a chu su yong panga ke si chu ama ho jo ko dia to chu it seems like aki bang hi wai pi I don't know dunia kase hi unfiltered kase hi lawan I don't mind let them correct me I wanga chu resolution ki bolo hi I should not be questioning them ye chu confusion am lo ngai chu ai le chu with explanation la te ngai tan Manipur PI khat popular government ki ti congress ki a join di chu popular government hi kuki hoti na lo pi chu kuki zo hoti na lo pi chu any popular government has no opposition tichu political science what over ni chu kale lo du ju ya chu popular government a join wala chun separation chu ki chai ta Manipura chu kom hom theve ta di Delhi na say ding chu the problem is solved no thi na man nahi the problem is solved to the compensation I madang dang kan pe di ati le achanu ki susya ki that ho ijate ho David the ya aminyong he nam ka he na dale akhot atanwa akichip now akai pau chu ke media gal ka sa hi ke mail to ichen khom ki I have no problem ei ngai lupen mail ho chu okay but I also have a problem because of my people having a problem koi macha in angap cha lo ta cho phai hu ai ala chun as a political listing leader MLAs they are given the trust to negotiate on our behalf hi real problem am tanati ye chun Manipura chu ikle diule police ita asan lo ta ye chu Manipur police mail ho no ta asan lo chu ko NDA ka chai yo am ke ka chal pang hi lampi ka cross wale ka cross the dan ki pause ka chal pang ye thil chu those are the people who supported the military at arambai to kithuwa ikavjo hichi problem pa chu apata eti wale come out in the open and tell us no room kharan kitunwa I don't want to be a part of any group kechu I'm independent voice ei ko yong leo ken ke sei da in PLO lo civil society lam kai ho chun I thing noi mi ho ya koi hi chu ako home diu chu te le ki ho home diu chu to ai ni piha ama ho mandate ki pi chu where have we not supported ong ki thawa yong le loi pai ki mu ti te te ki mu pia to I the thinkers group ho yo ko choloi ko ma ki se ya chi inam su wai ki choi o ma le iki tha to gam di utai chi I movement wa tha de ta thilipat kit le aki ho kil ama ho lo ani ni aki ho kit win how are you going to this thing that's me I'm pilat ma ka khot ke sob ke wan I fought the battle ta le a problem ning ki sei ta chu emle ho chu amon sei chu aban le yong na be kai sa kit win te de ni hi chu ei mi hon jibe chu ashori bol thei chu la but then if you join the popular government I'm telling you eiho sunga division this popular government separate administration hinsei phat chu MLA ho and a head tip diu chalo thinoi ho a head tip diu ye chu niang gi kal diu ta chu one would be there is something called cabinet na join wale cabinet responsibility teams they're responsible to the government and to the state legislation state legislature assembly achu cabinet ho chu responsibly chu they share the CM heads ama ho yo sin atu sei khat chu joint decision chu nobody can go against that ai cha chu state na ki pangta ai cha chu is UT yong kitin like it is constitutionally that is not valid joint ta di ti wa lung thing sala mi piringa phaya ti again come out and say adi lo wale don't fool us we'll also find our own way na kay want to mi pi de to lo ka changa din yong le let the whole world go against me I don't care na koi mi cha ki chone lo be ai to ka chen dal ke chai dal lo manipura chu ai chu chen kon pi thil pol lo pi chu ka he ta chu ai le ka sei ba chu me lo to yong kum thum je no ma ko do kham wong ki ho win tin negotiated settlement as me lo yong surety pe wa chu to ba nga khu kana bol khel ta win aphai police non achumin nei win nang ai chu secure ni ta povin manipur integrity wa nei su ke pe me lo taw le ti wam kati you want ministership you want money koi machan ei mi hon koi machan ki chia ki sei lo cho ne MLA fund heila na ko na spend am koi machan ki ti lo cho this is becoming too much na ati hoyong ahai bitam ka he mon phaya pa na hung jam alo le mit li ho gang chala ki hai ki ti chu ipina mi hiwam gati I think I would rather go and be somewhere very happy hiti happy le ibola tu ni hai ki ho am ne na mon cooking ga apan da chapang ho alo le bi ki ho na hi katiyo MLA ho hin hiti happy able di wale abai pena muding chu hilo om 6 schedule yong ki mulo di cho ADC who functions the ADC comes under what 371C cho imu sa jo tham jacket power ki thum di are what are we as a people do we have no shame are we not responsible for the ipia inam mi te ka hi imu mo so am gati mon am iki khen diu ta jama ho ta ye ama hon government police and mandiu chiting le ikat ain SAT phot phot chu anti constitutional lo le ama ho lo hi thungai lo hi ta in hol diu ta hi chu pass le fine aboy hi to ju ju le ju mon it's a bit emotional ke boy sa ko ya na si I told you na the other day ye chu piha entrepreneurship in ki bola law hi 2003 a ka sim cho ye chu na to zo ai FMS ka chayo na first job was with IFCI banking it's I want Osama bin Laden he marketing ka chinom cho mon FMS tu ni sei laga ga et bel he na alim na to hi idei dei ki mulo ta just I got into IFCI finance are zero okay so because I was thinking of getting into marketing nena mon pachi masat penya till reconciliation till bolli geto so kasai ranju then ICICI bank akan to abana chu price waterhouse house kan bolan khat biha ka company kan pajo ahi there are challenges and there are struggles I wanga chu I know my worth mi tham kharo kun natong lawai gel I don't care because I know my worth idam moala you have to take care of yourself I wanga chu law hi 2003 apana kana simai insunga amo ho aboi teng le tihar jela lut loi koi loi kana boi pia I was always in touch with the law ta chu law ki ti hi ai emile ho le koi ho hin adang koi hi wa hi lawyer on company at phata do lo le you can do your own research also na ichi ka bol wale kanam mi ka ki khan duty yong tu kichi a head jo but why are they doing it I don't know kein koi mcha koi mo lo twan ta te ti ole koi mo phat ta give me a picture or this thing a press conference where they have fire back at the Mete MLS condemn a ball now CM Biren condemn ball now give me a video relief came achieve medicine of anchang of now me khatleni tilowa MLA khatleni tilowa I want take names show me nisya mail ho illegal immigrants they were if you want to know the mood of the Meiteis go to Twitter and you will know itile eigham kid go ram ki hello lai chu achi nom le cheta veto I will not go to Imphal keita banga chi lo ding out ki ke hoto veto popular government is a betrayer simple as that
tuan an sei chu ikhat ala din ilam kai teu jong hi them khat mi pi to communication gap aha walin na aji chu thil ipi lam kai te ni pi plan ham secret wang chu ka sei pon hin la at least public domain a koi theding o emlete ipi ti ki ho law ham ipi thu ke sei di ham adiman wi pi ham ti halakhat be mi pi te koma phone do na khat ai nei lo wa hi le mi pi te apna hi speculation khat jing de hin na their speculation formation of their speculation itself destroyed the mindset of the people
that itself is a problem na mon that itself is a problem ye jo 20 la ki ho diu ya mi pin na ki gel chu phai lung thu hi venama ho hin inam di wa decision we respect that ai le resolution law chu 3 pa chu interview ehon yo pi wa dang hon yo pi mi pi apana za diu ta so they have to endorse that hichi ka kana ki lul now chu endorse ke bolan government ka join diu ta ki chi tai ka join na diu hichi ji e ti be jo ise pe ta ta wo hicha chu ikilang khendi no le kilang khenta ve ta no but then you are ha kati dan chu langsam kana pula ya chu in pi sunga yang information ki pe to lo adong ho do yong le khat lo ami jo si chu pan na pe yen mol hai dan in min tin thu ki pe lo te chu ai wanga chu most ki holding bunane tam ti ale pung khai chang ki ho te te yu chu we have to stop that atilol mi ve ta ke wang chu tu ni kin kan dal ha kong in tin you know me I hate being on this thing before the camera but now I will be in front of the camera ayechu isu mawale you have to be exposed amil hi long na lai mai chu mon
ipiti sei tham lam kai te jong hi hal khat dictatorial theme ka san na why they do ibola hi amho athil gelo athil bolo anato mi pi te dem di khuti zat daw ham khuti ma ham na why aren't we not in a democratic countries athil bol khu mi pi ten ibola voice objection or protest condemn tia bol thelo ham central langa BJP hon tilitan bol tiang lela aki complaining aki oimoin opposition te na sa pove opposition ni masai na simpove state na jong hi tikirin ale inam sung level hong hi patle KCC te lam kai hon jong seven lam kai te mo dem no te lam kai te dem no koi dem di ta a voma ti na vom ti di
law do you have the defamation case on they do it doesn't apply to leaders law yung het lo wam kati cho law hi isim ngai ta chu ai chu khat saying related law pi chu inam sung why rule of law if follow law le mail ho sang ko diu chu tu chunga thipa chu hot bangloi wa Twitter gali ya cookie zo te in ipol khaloi bol. So I will not say what I think because I think very clearly I have an independent mindset. Eho ka ahi kin lamkai ho tham khat gal hung ki patila aboi je wa panglo yong ka hecho. I will not take the name. Let them think who they are. They know who they are. Ikitu pet lai tawa na kiki ko khoma ahung lo mu chu. You know who you are. Kidep lo diu chu ye chu iki mu da ni my father taught me one thing. Don't hate the person, don't fight the person. Fight the issue or fight the wrong that the person has committed. Something is really wrong in our society. I don't want to be your leader. I don't want to be in the public. I want a private life. But when it's wrong, affects my interests and my people, I will speak up. You are that. So you mon like natacho kati danchu. I love ball so. Churchan pura latest say kohema that hetalo chu. Ajeb liwa compromise. Wacha ke thawa. Ain ko te ko ma lak niham lak thamam pe wa kichai. Custom with you. Wrong. Custom is not supported if it is capital punishment offense. Ichanu ho eho sungka ikisu set wale. Mail ho nei to na hu mail ho yung wake up call ai pe ocho. Wacha ke thawa ama ho ka ahu kisai to ocho. That is also not the way a society should go. Atwa yung we have freedoms under this thing. Article this thing na. Fundamental rights are freedom of speech in nature. Ayo ang acho lam kai lin pp wa. What's I mean them I mean idea opinion share yung le. Apo yung lo jula. You learn ke yung masa ke yung in pi ke la du bi kadin. Ado zo wa say cho. Mail ho to akivo min kukin pi lam kai kai atin akalin chongloi pautin len anti cho. Ai le sumhi natu lom mati cho. Ai le mi ayong social leader aki pangalo ya. I'm basically an entrepreneur, a private citizen, what socially very conscious. Kanam ngai lu khat chu kai jing cho. Ai je achu I didn't know how to handle illal to kalu hang cho. Ewo chu mi kho te yo cho. Lam kai te ni gama kamwa le pawa amai kha de gadis. But now I realize as a leader you should have given the response. I didn't speak that time. Kasi do lo cho kapukang cho na cho. Ahi wanga chu they have the right to this thing, but then if it is defamatory, law I get ngai cho. Yes ki bol kum to ngai cho. Ai le eho ai be tip jiwa hilanga Delhi negotiate bol ting la paw ngam lo chu. That's a problem na. Ai le instance kha jong na ping Delhi government of India aidon lo phatwa nupi hon Amit Shah aga buluwa. Ai le koha Amit Shah na ko wa issue tip ho chu. That is not done. Ki oi model opi chu. Ai wa nga chi ho iki gyal ngai ta chu. Ei relation a chu pucha pacha ucha yo chu. But when it comes to something right and wrong, there is a issue pa se. Nang ka mu da ya ka se lo pi chu. Ai le December a chu zomi mizo cookie cookie zo a iki su to khom paper. Zo United hi kito se lang do ai le hong ki pharwa se chu humanitarian he ti wa atangwa se agel wa chuma gel ki ho to thei lo am gati a ke chu lamkai tu in pi lamkai ke wa so I'm nobody politically thing ama ho aki ho je wa chu kukin pi manipur ading alin pe ni cho international as in pi lin pe ni cho ai wa tu tula lo bo cho ama ho ding a chu ye chu geographical areas apova nga chu delegation of power a chu Nagaland cooking pi Nagaland full power ni Manipur na ni ai le Govt kate Meghalaya ni ai le advisory role chu okay ho chu ai wa nga chu lamkai te ni yong oi model opi chu Mizoram gya thayo ni chu ikilep tu le to ko ham ke chun ke wa chun group khana yong ka sai da ke am ho dem po nge ta la am ho yong kar role am poi I am there to support them 100%. But who calls the shot? Final decision la chu. Eiho working group ma pangho chu le ta pang tan ke interest ke idea ne havin. I am there to support them. Ki thak tu hi winang na mi hin na mi pi diu tong win ki ti cho. Ai chi chu ya le ipyong ta mon. Who calls the final shot? Let them explain.
na
I don't know.
ilam kai
I'm very
ilam kai
disappointed.
teu hi hal khat kyo ka sei jin ilam kai teu hi at least a spokesperson te beu hi media chum chum mana hong eu ji diwa phai na je chu mi pi te to game a koi mo mo lo diu hin a plan wi piam i pi bol ki go ham a detail chen se hi zong lo hi ti dola ki che ding hi ti ki bol ding ti khat hi media len ta tai ne lo zong le piam nam sunga dinga koi koi media ma min langa tc network ham chung langa koi koi ppm ham tiwa vet wa hal khat newspaper ho be print media be a chong hal khat inam pi movement up to date khat hin bol win to aum dan hi to na se bai tian bol le wang ke ka ta san ta lo pia aji chu 3 bills me me ta mla ho in ki hal te ya le to tu chung boy na mi zani za thum lang ki thita a solution di ma chaum lo amahon hi tin protection ki munan te tiwala so I think to some extent agel khel me thi diu na
No,
instigate mi pi
let
instigate
us
na hi
not
lo
use
wa
very soft words, mon. Again, let them go. Kay want to kachilo dito. My
Gen
house is
Z
standing in Impal.
Nepal style Gen Z zong hi very likely as it chu there are
Kay want to
mi
chiyong
anong
to
hailo
kati
tam
dia
lo
na. Ya mon kisay tayo jo. Iti ala chun. Eho ka hunki kiboy tehen nang. Ay MLA ho elo la. Iting no mi ho jo eho. Ay pia phai che tayo ho. Akap ho. Na IDPs ho ta chun. Hunki khentaleo. Hoila UT chu inapat na inapat lo la khadi chu ai wanga chu UT chu isei now pa hi UT yong na ti lo bi chu mon ka sei da ni khati separate administration ti wa mail ho separatist hi ve India pa na khadi he ti wa hi chu MLA ho in a choose word is nago an alternative arrangement ti wa maybe they didn't choose the word separate administration ai ama on separate administration ti je wa chu thali la nga chu mail hon e ho separatist he ti wa na ki fight back chi wa chu mi khat hunga chi na sei khilwe reorganization of the state te ale chi wa chama on UTT pa chu thil hi bol ma sa diu mana mon to chu government of India chu ne chula BJP government only responded to us when our problem went international. Why did they go international? Ithi pao yong hi adi lo pat a state pa hin e ho chunga hi tha chimin de di attempted genocide cho. Now, if the MLA says, okay, they will not try again, fine with me. I have no problem. Kay wants problem kanay lo bicho. May hate on kachen thay, call te on kachen thay, American hot on kachen thay. Ay wanga kanami kanu kasupi mecho. At sanu ki ball na chu to ayong hi lo lai mecho. Pai lang ko na ayong le at hi new girl don. Why don't you give us some time? Phachom khat nei pe thei lo tiu upayam lo mo ya choi chom khat hi temporary intervening period a hi temporary arrangement khat anga ye tiwale tell us we will still support you honesty ngai chumon there's no the integrity ngai chu MLA ho in ese na pat wale ki ho yo sin bol ta pu de kati diu chu non alai lo bia popular government ai lo ki bole chu mi min isei be pe za ngai chu what kind of people are we?
pai
I
no
don't know.
pon na len
I
tan
might
ni
sound very
hichi
unreasonable, emotional, but
no pon na len tan pon na sang tan ni hichi iki ho na na ngai la hon I had the
Mhm.
win popular government form as audi wang ki phallo in na iki ho na jong south himalayan last remarks na mi pite ko mai pi vai hanom na niam with respect to 28 January tiang le home minister pa to MLA te ki muton ni wa mi pite an head diwa aware an hin de vai pi vai hanom na niam
mon kaiba kahin aina medium low kahin tale. I try to see both sides, but tu chunga resolution pas confusion e kati chu. Ami pi hin amo support ding ai omsa chu. Ai ale ikhat I'm a strategist. Kasi yung iti yung kuna draft am gati. Ala kito ayong ho pata chang explain lai ti wang. Kazuin lo diu hin but these are the ati ala mi pi chun ay zoin lo diu ti di cho. But it's saying the same thing. Ale lam kai ho problem ka het him cho. Constitution ai vet na le anago tong chen home kit na ipu yu cho. Ke chu naga to kicheng ke chu. Kuki ho naga to kicheng ho ka ta san po ni chu. Kuki ke dang ho lo pi chu. Ke mi zo yong ke de chu. A ye chu mi zo yong chom lo. Kuki yong chom lo, tha do yong chom lo. Na zo mi lo. Na thi le na thi hom thi san khat yu chu. A kuki zo chu nomenclature mat lo pi chu. Ai le emile ho hin. Ikat a bit sa do ki ho diu at least non-negotiable tham khat wang ki simple research ebola yang le imu the ata le kumnga yu ting le UT chu assembly to referendum ai tha sei the chu ye chu mail hon yong territorial integrity chu non-negotiable thi nge ti chu ai le su yong territorial integrity chu assign to chu I want according to the law ye chu case nga them lawyer tampi ma chu I want 2003 UPSC yong means tum we kapi a lekha hi constitution jan ma ham kasim ta chu ama lam kai ho khat kaza ta khat case nga dong zep na chu ama ko ma kai chu ai he UT idal sangwin state dal wite ye chu 1964 apana papers in eve I want tu chunga I hindi ti pau hi basically driven by emotion ye chu ya kasai bonga chu phaya e tham now chu a mail ho e hon ki kina pi kha lo Manipur territorial integrity a nga che ho chu nagon nago loi tampi no chu mail ho to that ni re betrayer mail on betray ball pa chu betrayal will come again mail age left so it's a humble appeal to our MLS aye chu hi su yong pang thelo chu ki khop ting le I think su has done their part MLA ho yong hi a problem chu ama ho yong hi minister day mai a ki chom lo mai the ama yong avet wale kanam mi te intervening period a hi phem khat ki la do lo wale ka bo idi vetia achi wale chun I can understand but let them talk to us there are a few things that they should make it non-negotiable these are the things MLA ho hin popular government a support di wale Amit Shah to kyodi uchi I'm the one who said Amit Shah ji hi amon aja so kin kyong kaza ji home minister ai wanga chu more apana ki thia ki jama phaya pana helicopter pe a phaya in po ulu ki gorjo I condemn that aile creation of at least Boro territorial council sanga lenzo it's ho in policing I charge policing inumi ho e ho yong 8000 to volunteer yong village volunteer yong inkile lo lai tampi me chu foi khat one at least an amin cho mon ade de ke sath the cookies jo special administrative region ham KZ sar like China ma Manipur ko China tabang gelwitin na Macau ma Hong Kong am tabang khun gelwitin jibe chu ajoin ma sangwa sip the because constitutionally it's allowed mail ho yong special administrative region na hello
one
le
state two
territorial
system ti to ba khuna
yes obviously one country three systems one country two system diwa Manipura mail ho ibol hayo hit lungne wam ka hello picho a mail ho kan to yelo Manipur ke te ding tan they're ready to give na chuma na lo wam gati but the people will not follow I will not follow at least I will not come back to Infal my kachat ganau kachanu kasupi hitya ki thamna muna chu ipina ko bol go dam gati acha chu temporary join no wala ke yong chi ta chi he ta follow let them join mi pi ding again wale let's respect one another I'll respect them but at least let them create a special administrative zone which will mele ho kama say they will respect the territorial integrity of Manipur echo according to the constitution article 3 kun ke su ho yo idem dem wa su in assign pa fu yo UT to ke khallo by law netia amo head law I don't know but but I keep researching Eiho anga chu MLA ho popular government a join wa cabinet na za wala chun they are supposed to protect the integrity of Manipur. I want to oath jong ko mail on azo zo say kitu. You don't take an oath to protect the integrity of Manipur. You take an oath to protect the integrity of India. Na kan do chu. I apa na chu pyam tell mon. I'll just read it out, huh? This cookies or special administrative region ki tipaj eiho chen na thing langa. Real governing powers advisory status allowing. Hijichun compromise ball chu mail hoy anup na diu chu territorial integrity chu kumngayo ting ivet diu hin hijan gya chu kaza diu. We'll see how you got it. Aile ama ho no ya che lo diu diu wale su ai pan diu chu. Time bound review class kumngayo ting le ichen khom down ivet diu chu ama assembly a chi wa mail ho ke he da ivet diu. Hichayong chu aki doi po vet ya le we'll have to come back through Home Minister in ikhadyam Supreme Court in avet suidyam review clause om ngai chu chi territorial status kana thum pau hi Manipura chance pe ding kati mail hole government of India ka hethemin but we'll have to review it after 5 years. Territorial status kana thum pau union territory kana thum pau chu review bol ngai te ti chu chele imi me na het te dim chla ai chu kum som ti midal wal inam vi bui diu ta chu I also understand that. I'll walk behind them. Ale aba na chu ipiham minimum power ne ngai chu to aki mo pen gp om big powers big adanis and all these drilling companies will come to our land uranium mind you ham oil adinga yo yo si ikam cheng thelo oil hadiam that guarantee is needed land ho jampera ju should jare 6 schedule is the minimum governing authority achu electoral territorial council be chu ithum do ta taula ipo ta khubanga kino yo do they want to go and serve khichari ki bola mail ho to ki bang ta cho amo ho general hiwa yo tribal hiu cho mon population ang ki balo I want ki din tua izo jo amo bola ki tholwan but at least get what is good for your people and for yourself amo ho chu territorial council a chu amo ho chimi executive pm khat is alin penito beta no problem no one will go and contest for another 5 years 10 years ale abana chu legislative power any te ngai chu intervening period demand power halo lai pi but we are ready to be under Manipur and ichen khom thewa I khat thewa le agama ma di chen ta lo dis ke chu phaya ka chen ta lo anam mi te chen hi ta mo MLA ho in building sanom le satawe to but hiti tabang defensive clause umlo wa ichen wale chun these people will be used to disunite us eho ese enti phot chu iboi diu chu cholo e thu su boy eta in hall diu chu elected territorial council with binding legislative power over land forest custom development planning and local taxation ngai chu tale state center apana direct fund hungai tale state law yo se chu atin ngai chu assembly ama hotam yo ya gam to yo bol khula mon they say Manipur land law atha eho kina sunga apas jula na icho ko hi thelo de kewon ka retire file ole security is a to be benjo central government to be deployed independently of the state executive mail hey home minister yanang CM hyongle hichi territorial council sunga chu central government AP nga ju chichu yal ami pin yo okay su hot advisable in MLA wan ngai na tiu me chula upolel lo yung ma lekha the meeting yo no ki ju chula ma ho I'm following them tale hichi jaw lo ai na mon without this thing minimum cookies territorial Bodoland territorial council be special administrative region be ilado lo Manipur win-win itelo you cannot be 100% winner or loser in this game mail ho yung ehon UT ju tu pet pena ip wale gali su ki dita hichia ju gelwa ching theida bol wale we going to the mi pi chu het team za ta now mon MLA ho in now I will not be responsible after this MLA ho in government adjoin wa to ka say pa special reason alole Kukizo special administrative region am khatsu Hong Kong banga alado alo wale the autonomy demand will die. One, SAUT option disappears. It will never come back. It will never come back. Mark my words. Atrocities are quietly buried. Eitha na ho inumi ho su sit ho sabanga ka ijuna volunteer khat David take chan chanai khatwa ton sing ha juna aminyo het lo wam kai. I know all of them because I fought. Ningtin ling lasa teacher. Not because I want to be in that fight. I have left everything. But your people or your voice should come back when it goes against your people. That was the time because this is against our people. Tachu khatui piham tile. What is lost? Collective leverage, moral authority, constitutional moment, and the trading between popular government and our demand is for survival. That is not a trade-off. That is betrayal. Abanachu, popular government is acceptable. Let this be very clear. Aking up sa valin photo ito. Aji kacha jong don loa kum hagu bhi jan imulo na ka to entin. I'm not going to keep my mouth shut and I don't care. Koi macha ka noi shelo, koi macha no e noi she dale. This is a disrespect to our people, but it will be acceptable if it is a transitional arrangement. Transitional. Som khat adinga ye che ho yong south of fight tail of it. It should be a cookie jo special problem alo le ikhat pa he na mon administrative region alo le ikhat UT hilo wanga chu ikhat Borolen ta mga AP wale to be one clause to be reviewed after 5 years. Then the minimum acceptable. Abana chu ahilo wale chun movement with siding leadership loading kale we will be under the thumb of this thing na. Chipas ka say no mon, but I don't want to be a slave. So I part on the line 28 like how do ya Amit Sachu ta kai khat pai they wanted I'll send it to them. Sima simple so talk to a few lawyers they'll tell you you will not survive if these are the minimum that you are promised. Abi pichu convince ibola ki convince lal de ang HTR but Amipi wants it as UT but constitutionally let us not lie to our people. Constitutionally talk as a special administrative region or Boroland model ho bang omsa so why are they afraid to face people with the truth? We'll follow them. Mon, sorry, but I am like, you know what?
I understand. Kahit yun
I need the two hat. WhatsApp group. Tham kana ki ho now gaza so. Biham. Inam lam kaya ho ta asan them puwit. No, I won't go that far. Emile ho yong akizu to gam tawe atichu. I le to hi hot imudi ma chang poi. Na 371 C chu kila utin za MDC khatwa thamche khat fat hong le aphatai dir. No yaar 370C is already there in the constitution. Umsa phachum lo Manipura Birinin khatwe ahin bola chiwa chu kapulun thang chu chairman ni chiwa chu khatwe election om kit ka hena cha chu kapane ho anga wa ipiha ajine jo pe wa aga tedwa kumsom ham khat uma ajo Birinin election ka bol de ya bol hela ko ya that means CM part a two so fan yung umlo there has to be a proper distinct hicho them ding achu iti je wa yon ithum lo pichu mail ho to ki muda je wa ithum lo pichu MLA ho nan patwa no na pat adi etia ki join ayichu structural problem mai ikipo ina so ra so ta ichen khom kit wa yong le ama ho no ya structure no ya yum do do diu ai chu kumi ne he na hung win na phaya cheng taw te di jala na he lo la ne he sa sa na bol wali it's a problem. I will not be I am a this thing I'm old now but kagol han lai le kipo idiu ta cho mon you are a Fuji guy yaar I didn't take NDA
ki pau minisi kyo lim na hi pon na lien ta to na hin sein kyo kapun na ma main hisi ikyo lim na na ve ho nam mi pt na ve hon agel di ba ken jong ka te sa ta chui pham te le yemele te ma ma bun boy hong kipatila pulet paulam kaina ama aji chu a video dong kanina lain na we are demanding adu da ti hian a sewitan Manipur member of legislative assembly MLA hi pumbuma zong hi dai demand ana bol nga mo hin ai le twa hi nungbek policy ham ai lo wale pi ham ti hi ama ho aki gel di hi me intin aji chu they should remember khang thua history YPP thil so no mam ti ho lam kai tian jong he hen lang na pi ne le go sum le pai chu pi man de ham ni sia ne di ne le phajeng lo ham aji chu lam imfala in lien ta in song sang ta isawa i boiwa hele ki chai ve na ti chun pu chung khajang sing son na nagale na pu chung khajang sing son jong seitan nga vin chulo he hui vin
ma hum ki chi chumon
ama tian hin ko ti nga vin nang ho ga mo chi hi vin akhat ve na na lon hin lo jong le ni ve thum ve tia he government in na hon option na pi sa ba government na option na hin pi zo di ti ho hi nga jep jong nga in tin IPP le mi pi te in hi si pu len chong le to ki ho naw na ngai la wa panin ana vetub jing wen lang mun chom ai pi thil so ma bana ve jing lang
mail ho in
government
upayam lo chuna mon they were ready to concede pa ka say UT kiti ho chu last am on the mail ho no pjai khat diu ham or whether you fight it because you're right pa chu ajoin wal chun eho society chu I don't know God help us I don't know I want ajoin di wal ka say minimum wang chu ikhat amit sa to kyo diu chula ama ho against lo ama ho ikhat na ki khat lo chu na ai ama ho hin chance nei je wa ngai lut na ki say ya they have to they have a chance now ta ka say pa chu ei sanga chingen hi wa a demand pa chu UT chu itiong pi diu ham na ito lo consistent lo the UT demand wale nung hello we sani tho nga ya anyway mon chi nang ngai lut na bo say we na but then I'm very frustrated na ai chu mi lu neu ta holim kaza ta chu 371 sia ke chai ding ki goloi alo le cho khat helai ha gam pa ma ki cheng in tin lo ta win ti loi I don't know
tua poi ma ne kizia the best is yet to be na apazo hiti sa apazo hung di heti ho kine mai tin lam kai teu jong ikison pi ma mau hin in la chi ni ikihona apa nai se nom chu hele don't back down na down you
yeah
may be down but
right
not
time to
out
demand na put your demands
put your demand straight and be
minimum
bold
minimum
your
na mon
people nami pite ita demand mi pite lungde chu na chi bi wai le mi pite jong ata na support jing di hi ti hi chi ke ni ki ho na pa na conclusion a kain sino mintin mun tinaum hi chi ka kyo naw ngai lo zo se na bonun chi bai lamang pa